Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. So welcome back to my channel, the Programmer Tutorials channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my new videos. And today we're gonna talk about some basic and some maybe intermediate and advanced concepts and advanced things in Microsoft Word. So if you are a beginner and you don't know how to use Microsoft Word, please check my last video, which is the part 1 of this video. And it talks about the basic things in Microsoft Word, including the text styling, the pasting, the margins, the page layout, inserting tables, photos, and images, and actually a lot of stuff. So please check that out before watching this video because this video is a little bit advanced. Okay, so let's open our Microsoft Word. And I'm gonna go really quick here for the basic things. If you don't know them, here we create a new file, here we open an existing file, here we also can create a new file with a template or a blank document. Here is our account, our settings, the feedback, our recent files, our pinned files, our account here also, and that's it. So just a blank document. And I'm gonna go really quick here also. Here is the text fonts, the text size, the bold. Wait a minute. So the text size, the text fonts, the bold, the italic, the underlined text, the strike through text, the subscripts, the superscripts. And the subscript and the superscript, you may notice it if we do this like this. For example, let's make this a subscript. It's gonna be small. The superscript is gonna be also small, but at the top of this word, just like the power. Okay, so that's it. We have the text style here. We have some pre-made styles that are very beautiful here. You see, we have the highlighting. Okay, the highlighted text. We have the color of the text, a lot of colors here. We have the sentence case, all uppercase, all lowercase, and some other cases. We can increase the size of the text and decrease from here. We have the bulleted list and some other kinds of bullets. Okay, we have the numbered list and all kinds of numbers. And numbering, we have the alignments, center, right, left, and justified text, right? We have the space between the lines. Okay, we have the increase and decrease the indents. And yeah, you can see that. And you have the direction of writing. And we have some stuff here that we're gonna look for today. And we have the paste here. If we paste something here, it's gonna just be pasted away and in the format of the source that you took your text from. As you can see here, our text was just Times New Roman 14, but if you want to paste some text in the new format, which is 16, maybe another type of font, if you want to just make the text follow the format of your document, just click here and paste text only, and you're gonna follow the format of your document. So that's it for pasting. So I'm gonna go back to Times New Roman because it's beautiful. So yeah, and we're gonna now talk about this dictate, okay, which is a tool that makes your speech or convert your speech to a text, okay? And it may be slow sometimes because of the internet connection. So let's just try it. Hello, how are you doing? Okay. It wrote something, it wrote everything here. But my accents need to be a little bit clearer. Okay, because it's not writing it the right way. You see? So I'm gonna try again. Wait a minute. The problem is that it's writing in English. So, hello. So the spoken language is not English, please. It's the spoken language is not French. It was writing in French. So we're gonna make it English United States. And my new microphone. And enable auto punctuation. I don't know. Let's try it. Save. So, hello everyone. Hello? Can't you hear me? Why aren't you working? Please. Just need to work. Wait a minute. So I came back and I fixed the issue, which was an internet connection issue. So let's do it again. Hello. How are you? My name is Amanda. I live in the USA. And I'm writing my essay. I hope that you will help me because I am not fast when writing with the keyboard. Thank you. You are doing really well. So you see, very beautiful, very nice. I liked it, actually. When you don't want to write, you can just speak. But the problem here is that you need to be maybe a little bit slow and very clear so that this thing can understand you. If it can't understand you, you're gonna just write something that you don't like, maybe some random words. We're gonna try it with this text again. To start stakeholder analysis, the primary task is to recognize the principal groups of stakeholders. These groups may encompass individuals or organizations that have a direct or indirect impact on the film's strategy and implementation. Point. These stakeholder groups can vary. Vary. I really can't just vary. No. Vary. No. How to pronounce this? Anyway. Widely, ranging from employees, customers, and competitors to government entities. Points. Okay, points. Full stop. Okay, so you just need to say full stop to stop. Okay. That's cool. I don't like it. Hello, everyone. Comma. That's cool. We need to pronounce this stuff. Comma, full stop. Okay, so I think that's clear enough. I just don't want to waste your time. So let's go to insert. Okay, in the insert, we have the cover page. If you are writing a book, something, or research, I don't know, something. Anyway, there's some pre-made covers here that are really beautiful, and I like them. So we can go for more cover pages from the office.com. We have some stuff here, so beautiful. You can change this picture here and make it your own picture. I'm gonna look for a picture and come back. So I came back and I changed the picture. This is my cover, the picture of my book cover. And it's so cute. So here is the document title, the document subtitle, the name. Here is my name actually. It got it from my account. Here is the dates and the course title. And here, this is the cover. And wait a minute. And we can change it to something, for example, this one. So beautiful. And okay. Another cover maybe. This one. So beautiful. And you can go for more here from Microsoft. Okay. So beautiful. If you don't like them, you can just design your own cover, maybe here or maybe in Adobe InDesign. That's all. So I don't need this stuff. Just delete it. So come back here to our text. So we are done with the cover. If you want a blank page, we can just hit the enter until a new page comes. And if we hit the back arrow, that page gonna disappear. We can just click this blank page and it's gonna give us a blank page. Okay, we've talked about the tables and how to insert beautiful tables in the last video, and we've talked also about the pictures. So let's just talk a little bit about shapes, if you don't know how to do that. So here, there is like some shapes, not a lot. Okay, maybe you want a heart. The heart is so beautiful. So if you just drag here, the heart can be very wide, maybe very long, very small. So what's the solution? Just click Shift, and you're gonna have a regular heart. What does that mean? Do it again. Before you start drawing your shapes, if you want a circle, for example, click Shift, and you're gonna have a perfect circle. So beautiful, so cool, so gorgeous. If you don't click Shift, you're gonna have maybe this thing, this ellipse, that it's hard to make a perfect circle like this. I think this is a perfect circle. So just click Shift and you're gonna have a perfect circle. Nice and beautiful. Just click Shift and draw. And keep clicking Shift. When you just release the shape, release then the Shift key. That's nice. So we can just work with the colors here. When we click here, this thing here appears. Click it. The shape format, the shape fill. Maybe let's make it. I don't know, black. Maybe this is not black anyway. And no outline, which is the border of the shape or the stroke of the shape. For example, if you make this outline red, you can see this outline here. Okay, no outline, and some effects, some 3D rotation, some bevel. You see here, the bevel is very nice. You can see it's 3D bevel. Where we was here. So some shadows, some soft edges, some 3D rotations. You see? What else? Some glow for our shape, some shadow under our shape. And using this, you can do actually a lot of stuff. I'm gonna give you an example here for something that you may want to use. For example, this one. I like it actually. And the Shift for a perfect shape. And this is usually filled with red because it's the banned sign. How to say that? Something not allowed. Okay? So, and we're gonna go to the shape format again for a bevel, beautiful bevel. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe this one is nice. So beautiful, actually. And we're gonna work with some rotation that will work for us. Maybe this thing will work for us. No, I didn't like it. Maybe this one here. Yeah, maybe. And I'm gonna change the bevel to something really nice. Yeah, this one is so beautiful. We're gonna add some shadow to make our shape look 3D and nice. Wow, that's cool. That's more than cool. We have some types of shadows. Change some shadows here. And you can just write the word banned or banned, or I don't know how to pronounce this. And make it also red here. Using maybe this one here, this one. And make it bigger. Okay. Smaller maybe bigger, and with red maybe. Okay, and make it at the center. And here is your beautiful design. So easy, so cool. So here is how you work with the shapes. I give you two examples, and you can go and choose whatever shapes work for you. And if you don't find your shape, there's actually a lot of shapes, but if you don't find your shape, you can draw it. We have this and this and this for drawing. So is this the curve tool, this is the arc tool, and this is the freedom scribble, and this is what? The freeform shape. Okay, we can also draw with this. So for example, let's draw something. I'm not sure. I want to draw a cloud, and I'm not good at drawing, so it's a horrible cloud, and I'm gonna escape. And here I'm gonna work with the points, just edit the points. Here we have a lot of points. You can delete some. I deleted all the shape. Okay, so click in the point here, and we're gonna delete the point. For example, here we're gonna delete this kind, a lot of points here. I'll be back. I'm just deleting it, the delete point here. For example, you can delete this one here. I want to make it a perfect cloud, and come back. Okay. So yeah. So welcome to see my horrible cloud. Actually, I was not able to draw a beautiful cloud because I'm used to draw in Adobe Illustrator, and I think it's much better than this. So I don't think that Microsoft Word is made for drawing, yeah. So just forget about it. So yeah, delete this crazy cloud, and we're gonna like just see how to. This one is called the curve. This one is called the arc. What's the difference? Oh, this is an arc. Okay. And this is the curve. So you're gonna, for example, click here. Click here. Okay. Can't we make a double click? No. So I don't like to use it. And the last thing is just scribble. And just scribble something. Maybe this cloud gonna be better. It's not better. So that's it about the shapes. Let's just forget to consume a lot of time. And I wanted to show you the icons, but my internet connection is not so fast, so I'm sorry. And let's go to the smart arts, where all the creativity starts. So here you can do something like brain mapping, some infographics, some lists, some, I don't know, pyramids. Actually, a lot of stuff here, a lot of stuff. And so beautiful, so crazy that you can't just ignore this. I mean, they are unbelievably great. For example, I don't know what to choose, but let's choose something beautiful, at least. So maybe this one. Okay. And here is our text. I want to change it here. For example, let's say the brain, the body, and the heart. It's just so ridiculous, but just bear that for a minute. The brain, the body, and maybe the soul, not the heart. The soul. So yeah, the soul. My soul, your soul, our soul. And here is our design. It's not so beautiful, but it's gonna be beautiful when you go to here, Smart Art Design, and there will be some crazy stuff that makes you say, wow, just wow. I mean, how can that be possible? Wow, so beautiful. I like it. And the colors, wow, these colors. Maybe change it to this one. Wow, so beautiful. I just like it. Maybe all green, all like this. And you'll change it to this, maybe to this, and a lot of stuff. Just try whatever you like. You see? So beautiful, so crazy. So another time, let's do it another time. I liked it with another shape. And what is this another shape that we're gonna use right now? give me a sign. Okay, maybe this circle. It seems to be beautiful. But let's say here, for example, Java. Here we're gonna say Python and C++, our hero. And we can also change the colors. Change the colors like this, maybe like this. So gorgeous. I don't know. This one is nice. This one, and make it like this. So 3D. Have some bevel. It's just unbelievable. Yeah. So yeah. I think I like this one. Oh, this one. This one is better. And you can actually you can add a title, but I'm not sure where to add the title. So basic pie. Okay. I don't know. I used to add a title to this figure. Edit text. No, I'm sorry. Okay, forget about it. Just delete it. And let's move. We need to move to the charts. Here where the magic happens. A lot of charts. If you have some statistical data, you're gonna use this. Of course, you're gonna use this. A pie. I like the pies. Some pies like this. For example, this one. This one is so beautiful. Okay. So I'm gonna try it. And here, maybe you are surprised, but this is Excel, which is also from Microsoft. And it's made for statistics, for some calculations. So we're gonna call this one, for example, the first quarter. We're gonna call it, for example, I don't know, websites. The second quarter is called the games. The third quarter, this is the third, right? No, the fourth and the third. So the fourth and the third are made for Android apps. I'm sorry. Apps, and the last one for iOS apps. And enter. So that's nice. And delete this thing here. Wait a minute. And we have some stuff here. I don't know. Select all. Just you can chart design. This one. I like this one actually. So we can edit the title from sales, and we can edit by just clicking here. So for example, these sale things. Wait a minute. I want to change this title to computer science. Just click here, edit data. We're gonna edit data here, and this is called sales. We're gonna call it computer or programming. Yeah. So okay, that's cool. And here we can go here and add some data, for example, the data tables. And that's cool. And we can go back to edit data, and we're gonna edit the values. For example, let's say the website have only 6, right? And the games, okay, the Android, the games have only 2.9. Nice. And I'm not sure, 2.9. And this one, so 6, 2, 3, 6, I don't know. Anyway, that's it. And what we can do also is the chart styles here, and they are here both. Can make this so beautiful. This one has the percentage, which is nice. And this one, there is some 3D stuff. Where is the 3D stuff? So yeah, so nice. And the colors, maybe if you don't like the colors, there's this scheme or the palettes. These palettes. I don't know. This one? No, I don't like it. I like this one. So this one is so nice. So you can it depends on the data you have. You're gonna like have a lot of charts. For example, this columns, the lines, the pie, the bar, the XY, the tree map, and a lot of stuff. It depends on you. This is a box plot, and depends on you. So just to choose whatever you want. So that's it for this. Let's just delete this, and let's talk. We've talked about the header, the footer, and the page number in previous videos. So let's talk about the equations. If you use math as a student or a math teacher or whatever, you may need the equations. So just click equation, okay, or just click Alt plus, and you're gonna have a beautiful equation here. So Alt plus. This is a shortcut, okay? So here you can write your equation. You can, for example, just type x power 2 and click enter, and it's gonna be converted to an equation format. And for example, you can do like this, plus 1 divided by 2. And you see, so beautiful, so great. Actually, there is a lot of stuff here for equations, but I'm gonna not show you everything. I'm gonna do equations in a separate video. There is the symbols, there's the fraction, there is this power signs, the radicals, the matrix, a lot of stuff, the accents that you may put on a letter, and the functions. And that's it. We have here some basic math, some Greek letters, some letter-like symbols, some operators, some arrows, some scripts, and a lot of stuff actually. But I've said that I won't show you everything here just because you may not be interested in equations. So I'm gonna do equations in a separate video. So symbols is pretty simple to equations. This is everything we're gonna talk about in the insert. So let's go to draw. So simple, so easy. You just have this. You can this is eraser. You can draw something here. Not sure. A heart shape. I'm not good at drawing. So yeah, you can use this to highlight your text, for example. Got it. Like this. Oh my god. I'm drifting. Okay. We can just trust. What is this here? Track changes. I don't know. Okay. So you just gonna delete this, strike through. Okay. I didn't say anything. So, and here is to select a shape or something. Select. It's just like the selection tool in Adobe Illustrator. So yeah, this is the drawing, and I'm gonna give you some simple thing. Here, the ink to math. Here is ink to shape. I don't like this. Ink to shape. I don't like this. Anyway, I'm interested in the ink to math. For example, let's just write x power 2. Power 2, not q. So just erase. Maybe my 2 is not more beautiful. Power 2 plus. Okay, wait a minute. The plus is not so clear. Plus what? Plus square root 3 plus, I don't know, plus sigma. I don't know how to write sigma. Sigma like this. No, it's 5. So I don't know how to write a Greek letter. There's actually a lot of Greek letters, but I forgot about them. So this one I think is a Greek letter. Yes, that's a Greek letter. And plus what? 1? No. I need to keep writing. Okay. It's making everything bigger for me. So plus what? Plus 1 divided by x subscript n. So gorgeous. So, how to say that? I'm done. Okay, insert. And here is our beautiful equation. I believe that you like it. Maybe. So, that's cool. I want to escape from here. Don't know what happened. So, that's it for equations, for drawing, yeah. And I want to delete everything here. And delete this thing. I don't know what happened here, actually. I didn't like it anyway. So, nice. Anyway, something happened here. I'm gonna remove it later. Just go out from drawing to the design. And in the design, we're gonna look to the watermark, to the page color, and the page borders. So the watermark, so easy. You just have this watermark here, some styles here, for example, and more watermarks from Office, and a custom watermark. So here we can have a picture watermark, or we're gonna select a picture, and we're gonna have the scale here, or the text watermark, and in English, and my text, for example, let's say programmer tots. So this is our text, and the font, for example, let's choose, I'm not sure, Fort. Let's choose Fort. The size auto. The color may be black. If we make it black, it's gonna be very harsh. So let's keep it like this. And let's click OK. And here is our watermark. And let's choose another stuff. Custom watermark. So diagonal or horizontal. And maybe here's some stuff. Okay, apply. Okay, horizontal. Close. I don't like it. Anyway, so no watermark, remove the watermark. So this is about the watermark. The page color is so beautiful, so easy, so simple. Just you're gonna color your page, and you're gonna have more colors like this, and you're gonna have some fill effects like the texture. Textures are not so nice, okay? Not so beautiful, but you may like it anyway. I'm showing this in case you like it. There's the patterns here, and you also may not like the patterns, but I'm showing you that. Wow, this will hurt my eyes. And there's the image, the picture. I'm gonna select a picture from our files. For example, we need a long picture like this, maybe. I'm not sure. For example, what? Like this? Insert. Okay. Anyway, it is a little bit beautiful, but you're gonna repeat the picture over and over again if the picture is small, which is what I hate about this page color or this page fill. And here is the border of our page, the borders like this, the borders. So we have these line borders, which are so simple. And the size of the borders, we can make it super big, like this. And we can make it super small. And the color, we can make it, for example, this color. Okay, this is a page border, but there's some pre-made page borders that are very beautiful. For example, I'm gonna show you the one that I like so much. I'm gonna make the color black and decrease the size. And you see, so beautiful, so gorgeous, right? And you can choose whatever you like. You are free to choose, for example, this music thing. See? So choose whatever you like. This is everything about the borders. We have the page border. We have normal borders that we can make, for example, for a text like this. And we're gonna go for borders. And let's say we're gonna make this border. Okay. So our text is gonna be in a border. It's like when we are making a summary in a border or something like that. So just select and go to the border. So that's nice. That's okay. And what else? This is everything we're gonna talk about in the design. Go to the layout. We've talked about the margins, orientation, the size, the columns, and everything here. So we are done with this. Just please check out the last video. The references, if you, for example, you need to cite your work anyway. So we all need to cite our work. So I'm just gonna open a new document and I'm gonna cite my work. So I have a book here to cite. Let's go to references. And here is a style. There is the APA, Chicago, Ghost, Harvard, MLA, and a lot of stuff actually. So you are free to choose whatever you want. And I need APA and manage resource. No, I'm sorry. Where is the insert citation? Yeah, add a new source. And here, what is that you want to cite? A book, an article, a journal, a book section. So I want to cite a book. Here is my book called Management Principles. So I'm gonna copy the name of my book. Sorry. So the language is English. English. And the author, the title here, paste. And the author, I'm gonna look for the author. I think it's called, here is author. So we're gonna copy the name of this author and we're gonna paste it here. And the year, wait a minute, where's the year? Maybe I'm gonna find it somewhere else. Preface, no. I'm gonna come back here. Okay. This is the year, I think. So, this is the year. Okay. I don't know the publisher and the city. So I'm looking for the publisher, but I didn't find any. I think this is a publisher. This document was created with the prints, a great way of getting web content into paper. No, it's not what I'm looking for. So I'm not sure who is the publisher. About the authors. Okay. Dedications, preface. I need some information. No, I didn't find. So let's say that the publisher is, for example, this one, Pearson. And the city, for example, New York City. New York. It is written this way. No, New York, maybe like this. New York. So yeah. And let's say okay, maybe. And this is our citation. Okay, so beautiful. It's the in-text citation, if you don't know. And we can, at the end, in the bibliography, we can insert a reference page, and our reference is gonna be here. If we have a lot of citations, we can insert another citation, a new resource of another book or a journal, and at the end you can just ask Microsoft Word to have our bibliography or the references or the work cited at the end of our documents or our research paper. So that's it about references. There's here some stuff that I don't use usually, and so I'm gonna not talk about it. Maybe I'm gonna talk about it in some future videos. So here, mailing, I don't use it, and the review, here where the magic happens. So I'm gonna go to File, and I'm gonna open this work. This is my work actually, and I'm gonna go to the review and go to the editor. So the editor score, it's like professional or casual. Let's say it's professional writing. Anyway, formal. So the spelling nice, the grammar nice, and everything here is nice. And here we're gonna check for the plagiarism. And wait a little bit for it. It's gonna take some time because it's checking for similar things in the internet. So 0% of your text is similar to online sources. Okay, that's cool. Document stats. Okay, we are calculating stats for you for very long documents. This might take a few minutes. Do you want to continue? Okay. So I want to continue. So, okay, probability statistics. Okay. Wait a minute. Maybe I need to select some stuff here. So it's not working with me. That's very sad. So that's it. And that's it for the editor. And we have this read aloud, which is also very nice. Let's just select this, for example. And I have my speakers here. I hope that you're gonna hear that. The speaking, so read aloud. And wait.
To start stakeholder analysis, the primary task is to recognize the principal groups of stakeholders. These groups may encompass individuals or organizations that have a direct or indirect impact on the firm's strategy and implementation. These stakeholder groups can vary widely, ranging from employees, customers, and competitors to government entities. Carpenter, 2010. I opted to identify the primary stakeholders of a multinational food corporation, namely customers, those who purchase and consume the company's food products, shareholders, individuals who have invested their money in the company and own shares in it, and employees, the people who work for the company.
So we are done, and as you can see, it reads it really well, better than me, so that's nice. So that's all about the read aloud. The editor, spelling and grammar checker is also how to say that, is a part of the editor. Here we have our word counts, and you can ask for it. For example, we have 2 pages. We have 349 words. We have this number of characters, and characters with the spaces, the paragraphs, and the lines. Okay, that's cool. So yeah, we have the translate here. And we here specify the language of our document. So let's translate selection. We can translate the whole document, and we can translate only 1 or 2 selections. Anyway, let's just wait for it. It's gonna take some time actually. So I may pause the video and come back. So I came back, and here it detected the English, that this document is written in English, and I translated it to Chinese. Let's translate it, for example, to I don't know. Actually, let's say French. Oh, wait a minute. French. Where is the French? Okay, French. Here is French. And pour commencer l'analyse des parties, I can't pronounce French very well. Prononce. La tâche principale consiste à reconnaître les principaux groupes de parties prenantes. Ces groupes peuvent englober des personnes ou des organizations. I think my French is pretty good. So yeah, we are done with this. I like the compare, which compares two documents before and after the change. So I'm gonna compare two documents, so compare. Here, I'm gonna browse, where is the browse? To my document here in my course, where is the unit for discussion, and then I made some changes and it's gonna be compared with the unit for discussion dot edited. Okay, and say okay. So here you're gonna find the differences, but I don't know what did happen here. What happened here? Maybe document unit 4. It used to compare my stuff, but it just didn't. So compare. Okay. Wait a minute, I'm gonna fix that and come back. So I fixed the problem, and here is the difference. For example, in my first document, I said to initiate stakeholder analysis, and in my second document, I said to start. And for example, it's worth noting that these groups, I deleted this and changed it with this. And I added the citation in my edited documents. For example, here I changed has the ability to can, and here what may happen if the company does not meet their expectation. I changed it with what may happen if the expectation are not met. If the company fails, I changed it with if the company cannot provide safe, high quality, and a lot of stuff actually. For example, here, result in changed with caused, and impact changed with affect. And you can compare some documents using this way, which is like very nice. And I think that here is everything we're gonna talk about when talking about the review. Here is the view. Let's just go to our previous document, for example, this one. Here is the view. And you can go to the read mode, which is very nice, and I like it. You can't just keep clicking and you can just read like this. It's gonna be like more practical. So, and then hit escape if you want to escape the read mode, and the print layout, the web layout. The web layout looks like HTML web layout. Okay, the focus. Wow, that's nice. I want to escape. The impressive reader. I don't know. Just escape. And where we was here, the ruler, the guidelines, and a lot of stuff, the navigation plane. And I don't want, wait a minute, I don't want this. Vertical, side to side. The zoom, we can zoom also from here. And you can end zoom, okay? Zoom to, for example, nice, and zoom. One page, multiple pages, page width. That's all actually that I use sometimes. So the help, I don't use this. The WPS PDF, which is WPS Office. I'm gonna make a video about this actually. Anyway, here if you want to use this in WPS Office and create a PDF, create and replay and do some stuff with it, and the pro writing aid here to correct my stuff. Yeah, it's correct. So give me a summary. The pro writing aid is a program. So pro writing aid is a tool that can be installed in your computer, as you can see here. And it can be your browser extension, or you can use it as a web application. So it's correct everything actually. And it gives you a summary, for example. Enable real-time checking, yes. So I'm waiting for it. Maybe it's gonna take some time, but it's gonna give me like some summary, like my grammar score, my spelling, my style, writing style. Accept some of these suggestions, and a lot of stuff, you know, a lot of statistics about your writing. Like, it's just so beautiful. If you can do it, I can do it, you can do it, we can also do it. The structure, I'm waiting for it also. Here, 59% of sentences start with a subject compared to 61 in published writing. and some statistic here. You can change some stuff here and change some suggestions. You just accept or like decline. How to say that? Refuse. Anyway, that's about writing it. Actually, you can find it in your Microsoft Word unless you've installed it in your operating system. So that's it for the Microsoft Word second part, and we've gone through a lot of stuff actually. Let's go to file saving. You can save, and you can save as a PDF maybe. For example, you can save to, I don't know, here, and save as a PDF or as a document to name your document. You can print it the way you want. You can close and go, and don't save anything. And that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope that this video was useful. Actually, it speaks about everything in Microsoft Word. If it was useful, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and comment down below if you have any questions or anything to add, and like my video if you like it. Hit the like button. So that's it, and thank you, and have a nice day.